There she is, you guys. Finally out of the garage. Still got a lot to do. Just now, I logged off of work today and I started working on the car right away because I was trying to do as much as I could before my wife and the baby got here. So I got the starter installed, got all the power wires. I ran all the grounds that are hooked up under the transmission. I did everything that I needed to do while the car was in the air. And honestly, I just really needed to get the car out of here so I can clean all this, because whenever I was degreasing everything and using the brake clean and all that stuff, it got my floor super dirty. So every time I lay on the floor, all that stuff gets all over my hair. So I'm trying to, it's funny, I'm all delicate about my hair. But I need to clean all this stuff up. And not only that, I just really wanted to see this in the sunlight. I really miss my car. But yeah, so now, as you guys can see, I've already started the wiring. I need to go through a few things. So I'm still missing small little things, and usually whenever you're building the car, that's what usually holds you down. That's usually what holds you back. It's just those small little bolts and fittings and things like that. But we're moving, we're making progress, boys. All right, guys, so yeah, I look rough. I always say I look rough, whatever, that's just me. Anyways, part of building a car or putting a Supra back together, or any car for that matter, is running to the store a lot. This always happens. Oh, you don't have this size tool, or that you don't, or you need some sort of socket or something. It's part of the game. So here I go. I need to go to Ace Hardware, get some stuff. Literally, it's one thing holding me back from, damn, it's hot. I love my truck. Check out, beautiful cockpit here. But it's literally just one thing holding me back from putting basically the entire car back together. So I'm gonna go get this, and yeah, hopefully it'll probably maybe be another video or two, and the car should be all the way back together. You know, guys, having a big truck is cool and all until you have to go to the ATM. Then at that moment in time, you realize how sometimes it's not practical. Whoa, actually, what the hell's going on with this bank? There's not even an ATM here. Huh. Wells Fargo, what the hell's going on? Alright, looks like they moved everything across the street. Huh. I need to get out more. I should have known this. There we are. Yes, you bet. I can't open the door, I can't reach that. So this is what you have to do. You put your truck in park, you get out, and you walk up to it. Ugh, this sucks.
One eternity later.
Jesus, that was a pain. What a pain in the butt. It made me make 2 deposits. It wouldn't take everything. Ugh. That's why I don't like going to ATMs. See? And since we're on the road, I might as well fill up. And we're almost there. Nice and full. Let's go home. All right, boys, we're home. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick sneak peek on the next video. Basically what I mean by that is the intake manifold. This is a Hypertune intake manifold. Super expensive. So I'm trying to take my time with it. I don't wanna, you know, do something wrong. But I gotta take this back off. I gotta take the manifold back off. It's only held on there by the 2 studs and then 2 bolts on the top, so it's easy to come back out. But basically, all what I've done that I didn't want to record just because it's not entertaining, it's not fun. It's not even fun for me to do, and let alone record and do everything at the same time. It's frustrating. And what I'm referring to is wiring. Wiring sucks. Yes, I can do it, but it sucks. I got everything done for the crank sensor, alternator, all this stuff over here. Basically, everything's done already. The only thing I need to do is connect to the sensors that are under the Hypertune manifold, and then just run the plugs up through each runner for each injector. That's all it is. And obviously, you know, install coil packs. But I mean, it's just literally plugging things in. I've already ran the wires where everything needs to be. Everything's done. So right now, all I got to do is just finish up some oil feed situation that I'm working on, and then basically just bolt everything back on. So this is what my plans are. I think I'm going to finish all that stuff up, and then on the next video, I'm gonna basically show you guys me installing all the turbo kit. So install the intake manifold, the throttle body, the intercooler piping, the turbo cold side piping, everything. So basically make it like the whole engine bay is complete. That's gonna be one video, and then after that I'll go into like the miscellaneous things, like fuel filters, things, you know, maintenance things that I need to get done before we crank this baby up. So I think maybe 2 more videos and the car should be finished, hopefully. You know, things pop up, but I mean, that's the plan. But until then, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog style video. It's completely new for me. I've never done anything like this, nor did I ever think I would be doing things like that. But yeah, here we are. But you never know what life's gonna bring you. I mean, life's full of surprises. I mean, I was one of the most socially awkward, quiet guys to now making YouTube videos about my life and the stuff that I do. You never know what's gonna come your way, so don't ever say never. I guess that's gonna be it for this video, you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.